Happy New Year! Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Will. Yep, it's been a while. Been busy with school, and with the new year, I'm starting off being sick per usual. Yeah, damn, like this cold weather though, right? Houston is so bipolar. So I'm just gonna cook you guys some home-style chicken noodle soup today. It helps me keep warm during the cold seasons, but yeah, let's get cooking. So I'm gonna start off by prepping veggies. So for veggies I have celery, got some carrots, and I'm gonna add some mushrooms into it later. I'm gonna use about, let's see, maybe like 3 stalks of celery. So you just basically want to dice it up and then just toss it into the pot. I'm just gonna stick all this into a big soup pot. And I'm gonna do that to the same for the carrots. I bought mushrooms that are already like pre-cut. Just cut them down a little bit. Into the pot as well. So after you cut all your veggies, you basically just want to stick it into the pot like these. So I'm also going to add 1 yellow onion. You just want to dice this up as well and just toss it in with the rest of the vegetables. It'll help give you some flavor, some of that onion. You know you want that onion breath, right? Into the pot like this. So next up, I'm gonna prep the chicken. So I bought this rotisserie chicken that's already like pre-cooked. If you had more time, you could also buy like chicken breast, raw chicken breast, and cut it up and cook it as well. But I'm hungry, I just got off work, so I just bought a rotisserie chicken at my local grocery store. I'm just gonna cut it up and then I'll toss it in after I saute the vegetables. Just want to strip the meat like these. The nice thing about rotisserie chicken is that it's just like so easy to like work with. It just comes off the bone. In a matter of seconds, you got deboned chicken. Yeet. Okay, so after you debone it, you just want to roughly chop it, and then this is going to go in after I saute the vegetables. The heat, I'm just going to put it on high to start off with, and then I'll lower it to medium. In this vegetable mixture, I'm just going to add a little extra virgin olive oil, just about maybe like a tablespoon. I want to stir this around. You're just gonna let it cook down until the onions have turned translucent and the carrots and the celery have softened up a bit. Into this mixture, I'm gonna add roughly a teaspoon of salt and then some ground black pepper. After about 5 minutes of it cooking down, you just want to add in the rotisserie chicken into the pot. So if you were using a raw chicken breast, you just have to cook it down for a while longer. And just make sure it's cooked through all the way, and then you just want to put in your chicken broth after. Saute that around a little bit. Make sure the pieces aren't too big. Make sure there's about bite-sized pieces. After about 2 minutes, I have this low-sodium chicken broth that I'm going to add in. And I have like 2 cartons of it, and each are 32 ounces. So you just want to pour that into the pot, just like that. Since this was low sodium chicken broth, I'm going to put in approximately another teaspoon of salt. So it has that flavor, you know. For my pasta, I bought this veggie rotini. It's pretty colorful. good for steaks, you know. You're gonna wanna basically just toss this in at this point, and then you're gonna bring the broth and the rest of the soup to a boil, and I would say maybe about approximately 15 minutes. So you just want to toss this in, and the pasta will cook as the soup boils up. And so you just stir this in like that, nice and colorful. And then after the soup is brought to a boil, you're gonna toss in cilantro. So I noticed that I was kind of low on broth right here, so I'm gonna add in about 2 cups of water, just to give it some more broth. I'm not following any recipes. I'm kind of just winging all this, so. That's how I cook, just wing it. Yeah, that looks about right now. Yep, so after all of that, just put the lid on top and let it sit. After about 15 minutes, should be brought to a boil by now. Is lit. You just want to turn down the heat to medium low, and then I have chopped up some cilantro already, so you just want to toss that into the soup if it wants to go. Okay, maybe not. It needs some assistance. Once all the cilantro's in, you just want to stir it all up. Oh, this looks so good right now. So after it's been all boiled together, you just want to make sure, taste test it, see if you need to add more salt. Be careful, it's hot. Oh, that's good. That's good stuff. Nope, doesn't need more salt. So 2 tablespoons is pretty good already. Oh, roll the food porn. And that's a wrap. If you like this episode, press the like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next episode. Catch you later. Peace. Oh, I haven't turned it off. You're probably wondering, where's the special guest? Well, looks like I don't got one today. Sorry. It's just me eating.